Looking to upgrade your server's memory? The 128GB 4x32GB DDR3-1600MHz PC3-12800 ECC LRDIMM from NEMIX RAM might be just what you need. This high-capacity memory kit is designed specifically for server environments, ensuring reliable performance and stability. With each module offering 32GB of RAM, this kit combines to provide a substantial 128GB, perfect for demanding applications and large datasets. One of the standout features of this NEMIX RAM kit is its ECC, error-correcting code, capability. ECC memory is essential for servers where data integrity is crucial. It automatically detects and corrects data corruption, preventing potential system crashes and ensuring data accuracy. This feature makes it ideal for applications where uptime and reliability are critical. The DDR3-1600MHz speed ensures fast data transfer rates, which can significantly enhance the performance of your server. Whether you're running virtual machines, databases, or large-scale applications, this memory kit helps to keep everything running smoothly. The PC3-12800 specification means it's compatible with a wide range of server motherboards, offering versatility and ease of integration. Another key feature is the load-reduced DIMM, LRDIMM, technology. LRDIMMs reduce the electrical load on the memory controller, allowing for higher memory capacities and speeds compared to traditional DIMMs. This is particularly beneficial in servers that require large amounts of memory, as it helps to maintain performance without overloading the system. Operating at 1.35V, this memory kit is energy efficient, reducing power consumption and heat generation. This not only helps in maintaining optimal server performance but also contributes to lowering operational costs by improving energy efficiency. NEMIX RAM backs this memory kit with a lifetime replacement warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of its durability and long-term performance. It's important to note that this memory is not suitable for desktop PCs, laptops, or notebooks. It's specifically engineered for server environments. In summary, the 128GB 4x32GB DDR3-1600MHz PC3-12800 ECC LRDIMM from NEMIX RAM is a robust and reliable choice for server memory upgrades. Its combination of high-capacity, ECC, LRDIMM technology, and energy efficiency makes it an excellent investment for maintaining and enhancing server performance. If you're looking to maximize your server's capabilities and ensure smooth, reliable operation, this NEMIX RAM kit is one of the best options available on the market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.